In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Apple Pencil Pro with your iPad. It's very easy and it only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. So after unboxing your Apple Pencil Pro, most of the time it's already charged out of the box. First step is to turn on your iPad and simply put your pencil on the magnetized pad on the side of your iPad. You see mine is over here. This is an iPad Air 6th generation, but it works with other iPads. I'll put on the screen right now the compatibility list for this Apple Pencil Pro. Take your Apple Pencil and you'll notice that one side is flatter than the rest. You see, this is round and this is the flat spot where the logo is. You just need to put it right on that pad and automatically it should clip in place because it's magnetic. Now let's take a look at the screen. You're gonna get this welcome message that's pretty standard. They will tell you here all the different gestures that you can do with your Apple Pencil Pro. Press continue. So you can go ahead and remove your pencil from this magnetic pad here. And we'll try to squeeze it. So to squeeze, it's very easy. Grab the pencil the same way you're grabbing a normal pencil. And what we need to do is to squeeze, okay, this part over here, anywhere. You don't need to be very precise. Okay, so let me do it. Simply squeezing with my finger. Now it's time to hover over the screen and squeeze the Apple Pencil to have quick access to these tools. So you see, I'm not even touching the screen. I know it's a bit hard to see here. I'm not touching, and the iPad detects that my pen is hovering above the screen, and I can select one of these tools. And if I squeeze, these tools disappear, you see? By squeezing, you can make them appear, and without touching the screen, you can select one of these. And you can try them out. This is a blank piece of paper here. Once you're done having fun with this, okay, we need to press the continue button. It's time to scribble. This simply means that you need to write anything in this box over here, and it will convert whatever you handwritten into actually text. So let me try this out. So I'll press continue when I'm ready to exit this. And now it's time to activate Find My. So you can add this pencil to all the other devices like AirTags, iPhone, iPad, your MacBook that are into my Find My app. This means if you lose it or if you forget it somewhere, you'll be able to find it on a map. It's quite cool. So you have the choice to add it or not. It's up to you. I'll press add a pencil since this is a quite useful feature. And it will add to my Find My account, Apple account. It will show you on this map over here. I have blurred mine so you don't see my exact location, but your location will be displayed over here in this map. If everything is okay, simply press the done button and this screen will disappear and you can now use your Apple Pencil Pro. You don't have to do any other tutorials. Now there's a few settings that you can modify once you have paired your Apple Pencil Pro with your iPad. To do so, you need to go into the settings app of your iPad. Once you open settings, this is the screen you should see, and on the left side over here, if we go down, you should see Apple Pencil. Tap on it, and here you're gonna have multiple options that you can change depending on what you like. I suggest you leave them the way they are at first, and then you're gonna notice stuff that you like about it, stuff you prefer turning off and deactivating, and then you can go into this menu and have access to whatever option you want to remove. One of the most useful feature that you'll find here is the fact that you can actually customize what happens when you squeeze, okay, like this. Right now is show tool palette, but if I click here, you have multiple options, especially this one, shortcut. If you click shortcut, you'll be able to select through many different shortcuts or even create your own. But overall, this is it. If you want to support my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links down below to get tips for your Apple Pencil or maybe an Apple Pencil Pro if you don't have one yet. And I'll see you in the next video.